like Will made it, nigga. Shrimp life. Like Bobby's in the city, fat ass and pretty titties, get dummies for their money.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Flawless Lex. I'm back with another. What's up?
What's up?
I got a question.
What's up?
If you can rate me from 1 through 10, what would it be?
I can't see you.
You sound hard. They fooling on here. This is crazy, yo. Hey, what's up?
What's up? How you doing and all that?
I'm doing good. I got a
What
question.
you laughing? Did you see what I was just doing? Oh my gosh.
I got a question.
Okay.
If you
now
could,
that I'm embarrassed.
if you could rate me 1 through 10, what would it be?
You?
Yeah.
I can't see your whole face. Damn, you was a solid 20. Where you from?
I'm from Michigan.
Michigan?
Yeah.
Where about?
Detroit.
Detroit? I didn't know Detroit had girls like you in it. What you doing out there? You don't need to be out there.
I live here.
How old are you? Huh?
None of your business.
Oh, okay. Maybe you do need to be out there. Anyway.
Oh, Lord. It's weird, ain't it? Hey.
What's good?
Then I have a question.
What's that?
If you can rate me 1 through 10, what would it be?
12.
A 12? What did he say? I think he said a 12.
I'm sleep.
Hello?
Yeah.
I got a question.
Alright.
If you could rate me 1 through 10, what would it be?
10.
A 10?
Yeah.
Oh.
Damn! You're looking good.
I got a question.
What's up? 30.
If you could rate me 1 through 10, what would it be?
Have more time.
I be forgetting to add time, y'all.
Crazy. Man, that's what every female look like if they take off makeup.
Hello?
What's good?
I got a question.
What's that question?
If you can rate me 1 through 10, what would it be?
Banging, you 10 automatic. You already know what the fuck it is.
This is funny. I don't even know how many people I asked. Hello?
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good. I got a question. If you can rate me 1 through 10, what would it be?
10.
10. Alright. I'm gonna do like 2 more. Because I don't want this video to be super long. Kareem.
Hello?
Hey,
What's up?
I got a question.
What?
If you can rate me 1 through 10, what would it be?
20. Hello?
Yeah. I got a
Hey,
I got a question.
at time, what on YouTube?
Alright. If you can rate me 1 through 10, what would it be?
I give it good, I give it good 9.
A 9?
Yeah, I give it 9.
Alright. Oh,
Wow, what you doing? You doing YouTube or something?
yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How many, what that shit called? How many views you got a song like that?
I don't know. I just started.
Please, no, no. Hello?
Oh.
Got that dirty on that motor for Hello?
Yeah.
You said what?
I said, I don't know. I just started.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that was so. You got a Snapchat?
Yeah.
You got that little friend thing, right? You got a pretty friend thing, right? I'm at you on Snapchat, right?
Alright. Alright.
What? What's up, buddy?
Nothing. Nothing. No. Nothing.
Huh?
Nothing.
You said, no, it's all funny. Keep laughing. I don't laugh too.
Oh my gosh.
Where you from?
I'm from Detroit.
Oh, you from Detroit. What part of Detroit?
I'm on the east side.
There you are. Oh, you on the east side?
Yeah.
Oh, so. Now, it's all about that ATL, though. On the south side. On the south side.
Oh,
You big?
I got you. I got you.
Huh?
I said, I got you. I see what you're going with this.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
But
Man, this shit, what the fuck?
that's all I want to
What
ask.
is it?
Ooh. I'm gonna do a couple more, y'all. I don't think I got a profile picture up either. Oh, yeah, I don't. So that's if you don't have a profile picture, a lot of people gonna skip you. Like that's why I'm being skipped out. I don't think I have one up, so that boy knew. Like, you got a YouTube channel.
Damn, what's good?
Hey, I got a question.
Got a what?
A question.
What's good?
If you can rate me 1 through 10, what would it be?
That's fine. There you go, that's your question. I just answered it.
Where you said what?
I just answered it. If I had the time. If it was not fine, I wasn't gonna have time.
But what you gonna rate me though?
Get 10.
A 10.
What is this for a YouTube video?
Yeah.
What's your YouTube?
Flawless Lex.
Huh?
Flawless Lex.
What is it? Like, I can't understand what happened.
Flawless Lex.
Flawless Flex.
Yep.
How many subscribers you got?
I don't know. I just started this, so.
Cool. I mean, as a friend.
Peace. Hey, I got a question. If you can rate me 1 through 10, what would it be?
Damn, 100. Hey, just Damn, 100.
You should add a time. I think a lot of these people be new to this app, so they don't know how to add. Like, just like me, I don't know how to. Well, I know how to do it now, but I don't know. I'm about to do one more. I keep saying one more. I'm gonna do one more. I got a question.
Go ahead.
If you can rate me 1 through 10, what would it be?
A 9.
A 9?
Yes.
Alright. Alright, this is the last one for real.
Get rid of the whole time. Oh, she beautiful. Look at her. Hey, we both got gaps. Hey, I love you, though. I love you. That's all.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, baby. Hey, what's up?
Hey, I got a question.
Yeah, what's up? What the fuck?
No. If you can rate me 1 through 10, what would it be?
Oh my, you a good 10.
You said 10. They don't be having time. Alright, how do I exit out of here? I don't wanna. Hey, what's up?
Hi, Tom. Where you from? You from Michigan, you said?
Yeah. Yeah, I got a question.
Yeah, what's up?
If you can rate me 1 through 10, what would it be?
9.5.
9.5. I didn't even know that was a thing. Alright.
What's your IG?
My Instagram.
Yes.
Why?
I want to ask you. I want to be your friend. You're very pretty.
Wow, thanks. I appreciate it. You ain't get my IG though.
What is it?
I ain't telling you.
I'm going to add you as a friend, though.
Oh, snap.
On the crib, feel me? You can pull up to the yoke whenever you want. Alright?
Got you.
What's your IG, though?
I'm not telling you.
Add me as a friend, then. That's all I'm asking. Alright, thank you.
Alright. Yo, they fooling. Alright. If this one don't go through, then... Alright. I don't know how to exit out of these. Alright. I am finished, you guys. So, that was that. This is 15 minutes long. My sister will hopefully cut some of it out. She can cut half of this out. But, this is so... That was so weird. But yeah, I'm done with the video. They back there playing or something, but I'm done with the video, y'all, and that was what's going on. So I'm gonna do it. I should do it. Well, I don't know, cause I don't know, but I might do another version with me without makeup and stuff. So if y'all like this, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah. But yeah, this is weird. I only got this app for like video purposes for this video, so yeah, I really didn't know how to work that. But yeah, like I said, if y'all like this, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, I will talk to y'all some other time. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe also. Bye guys.